Well, here we are. It's the Sabbath, and we're having our Manaia right now. It's Fewoks. Mum is sick. There's fruit, that's what I've been eating. Nice snapper there. Some corn. There's green bananas. Some water. That's what you call it now? It's smoked chicken. No, smoked chicken salad. Then you got what's that little? No, little. Macaroni and cheese, whatever. Then you got rice, and we got some. Let's see if we can get some focus in here. You get some shepherd pie there, and some T-bone steaks, curry sausages. And what's that? And some chicken, some marinated chicken. And there's Teuaililo over there. And it's Tah. And out there in the kitchen. Okay. So you've had enough. What did you think about dinner today? The Sabbath Fewoks?
Excellent. I could have more, but I'm trying to save myself.
What's the lucky number's name that you're saving yourself for?
Myself, because it's heavy, climbing up the trees to get to the TV.
Oh, for tree lopping. No. Anyway, that's us. The time now is 8:45. Oh, 8:30. And thank you for joining us for dinner. A Sabbath dinner out in Crazy Burn, 3064 Broady Sistak. Represent. And Victoria, which includes St. Albans and also Thomastown. Okay, this is it. What are your last words, Tah? I promise you will be magnified. I will exalt you. Oh, lady. How about you, LILO? What are your last words? And how about you, mate? No comment. Okay, have a happy Sabbath, everyone. Here's a corn for you.